Welcome back to the channel, another video of Shanky Verma dance. So we are again back with our fourth video of shuffle dance tutorial. So today we are going to learn about the move which is called heel and toe, and that we will be learning from every aspect from A to Z. So let's get started with today's video, heel toe. So let's get started with heel and toe. So first what you're going to do, you're going to understand the concept of heel and toe. So as the step name is heel and toe, you're going to use your heel and your toe. Okay, so both at a time you're going to use both of them together. So let's take it with one time, and then we'll combine that. So as I'm starting from my right leg, it goes on heel on the right side direction, come back, then we take the right leg as in toe and come back. Then we'll go with the same with the left, heel, come back as in toe, come back. Okay, now what exactly you're going to do, what we did is heel and toe of both the legs. Now from that, the first time you're going to use your both of the legs together. So the right leg would be taking up on heels and it is going toward the right side, as well as the left heel would be face the left side, and the left leg will come on toe and the right will come on heels. Let's go 5, 6, 7, go. So let's go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Along with this, you can try from the beginning if you are starting, if you're not getting like confidence about the shuffling. So what you can exactly do is so simple, like you can take your legs on toe and then you can take on heels, then toe, then heels, then toe, then toe, then heels, and away from that, when you get that confidence, just go with the medium pace along with that, and when you feel that you have done a lot and you have got the control, then you can just increase your speed as you want it. Okay, so that is going to happen. If you are going to go for doubles, so it's so simple, like you take up on heel and toe, come back and toe. So it goes like that, double. Okay, so this was all about heel and toe, every aspect. Just go for the practice. So I guess you got an idea about how to do the heel toe and what is the correct manner to do it. So I'll be meeting you with another video, another session where I'll be taking more shuffle videos. But I have started more of the series like hip hop and Bollywood, so you can check it out in the description. So I'll be meeting you in the next session.